by the way, if this little shindig looks stupid, it's because literally, listen, we balling on a budget. This is just like a bright lime green shirt that I had, and like this is like a belt. But like, look, I mean, it kind of goes with it. If it looks stupid, that's why. Today we are going to be doing a Shego, is that how you say it, from Kim Possible makeup tutorial. So this, basically, y'all know what she looks like. This is what she looks like. But today I'm going for like the eyeshadow and like everything. I'm going to be going off this reference picture. I do not know who she is. I'm really sorry. I found this on Pinterest, but basically this is like the reference picture I'm going to be using with like the dots and stuff. I really love like she did that. So yeah, that's the picture that I'm going to be doing today. I did my eyebrows, but you see how hers are like curved because like that's how it is in the cartoon. At the end, I'm going to try to fix that aspect, but I want to do it after I do my foundation and everything. So I'm going to go off camera, do one eye, make it look good, whatever, and then come back. Okay, I'm back and I'm pretty happy with the way this eye turned out. So now we're just gonna do the same thing on this eye. So let me zoom this in a little bit. I'm going to be taking the Try palette by Juvia's Place, and this worked perfectly for this eyeshadow. Like the look, it just like, I feel like it went perfectly with it, like the greens. This is like the only palette that I used besides like for the black. It was eyeliner, but it wasn't like eyeshadow. So this is the only palette that I used. So if you plan on doing this look, I definitely recommend getting this palette because I only needed to use one palette. So now I'm gonna prime my eyelids. So today I actually did something different. I primed my eyes with foundation just because I know that it doesn't really like move around a lot. So I'm gonna do that. Now I'm gonna take this Morphe brush. It doesn't really have a number on it. It came with like the metal set. I'm gonna take Masai, I think that's what it is. It's the like neon light green in the palette, and I'm just gonna tap that in. Actually, wait. First, I'm gonna take this Morphe M441 brush, and I'm gonna take Masai, which is the like neon green color, and I'm gonna tap that in my crease. I just kind of like to like set it like the first layer. So now I'm gonna take this Morphe brush and I'm gonna take the same color and just tap that. This brush is denser than the other one, so it's just gonna pack it down more. Just gonna pack that into the crease. And now I'm gonna take the M441 brush and I'm just gonna start blending that out using circular motions. I'm kind of like feathering it so it's like feels lighter, so it's like barely touching my eye, in circular motions, and also windshield wiper motions. Now I'm gonna pick up more of that color and just start blending that out. I'm okay with the way that is. I'm gonna take that same brush that we used, not the Morphe M441, but the other one, and I'm gonna take Tootsie, which is like the other green color in the palette, the second darkest one, not the darkest one, but the second darkest one. I'm just gonna tap that under it. And then I'm gonna take the Morphe M441 brush and blend that out. You basically do like the same thing over and over again with the shadows. So like, take this brush, pat it down, and then blend it out. And now I'm gonna take the Morphe M504 brush and I'm gonna dip into Tootsie and San, and then put that in the crease just to darken it up. And I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe M441 brush and just blend that out. And now before I like cut my crease with concealer, I'm just gonna take a Q-tip and like some makeup remover and like basically outline where I'm gonna cut my crease, just so like the concealer will lay down better and it won't look like greenish. I keep saying like, sorry. Now I'm gonna take my ABH cream contour kit in the shade Fair, and I'm gonna use this color, which I believe is Soft Light. I'm gonna use that to cut my crease. Don't necessarily have to cut your crease, but I just am because I want the colors on my lid to be more vibrant. So now I'm gonna go back in. Why am I going so fast? Okay. Now I'm gonna go back into the Tri palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna take the lightest neon green color that we used. I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner. Well, in the inner half of where we cut it. Now we're gonna take Tootsie, which is the darker but not the darkest green, the second darkest green in the palette, and put that on the second half of the lid. Now we're gonna take a black eyeliner. This is just the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm gonna do a cat eye, and then I'm gonna connect it with a black line in the crease like I did with this eye. Okay, now I'm gonna take, this part's a little weird to me, so I'm gonna take this old eyebrow brush that I have, and it still has like a little bit of product in it. I have a very shaky hand, so that's why I'm using something that's already a circle. But if you don't have a shaky hand, then you can use the like eyeliner tip and just make a circle, but I'll like do a line because my hands are so shaky. So now I'm just gonna put dots where I like feel like it, basically how it's like all sporadic. This one kind of looks like polka dots. It didn't really look like that in hers, but I'm just going with it. So just put them anywhere. Now I don't think she did this in the reference picture, but I'm gonna take this NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Envy, and I'm just gonna do other little dots. And now I'm gonna do my under eye. So first I'm just gonna take some concealer and put it on my under eye just to like set it. Then I'm gonna blend that out. Take a small little brush, and I'm just gonna basically use this. So first I'm gonna take Tootsie, put that in the inner part. And then I'm gonna take San, and I'm gonna put it on the outer part. Now, I don't want to mess it up. So she has, in her picture, she has like a black eyeliner like that goes a little right here, but I can't do bottom eyeliner and I'm not trying to mess it up. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation, and then we'll come back and finish up. All righty. So I did my foundation and highlight and stuff off camera. Eyeliner, I would use the Flash palette, but the black in the Flash palette, like I want a matter black. So I'm just gonna use eyeliner. I'm gonna outline my lips. So I just did the outline in black. This black liquid lipstick by NYX Cosmetics. I'm just gonna put it on my top lip. now if you want, you can also set it with, like if you're using like a face paint or something, you can set it the black with black eyeshadow, but mine's a lipstick, so I don't really need to do that. So now I'm gonna take the eyeliner again, and I'm just gonna like do a little outline under my bottom lip. This Real Techniques, is this Real Techniques? This BH Cosmetics brush. We're gonna take Tootsie and tap it off, and then we're also gonna put that like in the hollows of our cheeks. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up the nose line, kind of like feel out, see what else I missed, and then do my lashes, and then I'll look. I got black on my bottom lip. I'll fix it up, and then I'll do my lashes, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, guys. So this is the finished look. I took that thing off my nose, honestly, because it wasn't doing anything for me. Like, it did not look cute. So I was like, she gotta go. Okay, and this is the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm really liking doing these Halloween videos. I don't know if I would like, if I were to go out with like just this shirt and like this, obviously without the whole entire like costume, if people would really know who I am. But like, if you get the costume online and you want to follow this tutorial, then yeah, that would be better. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.